it's currently been about 1 year since I have bought this. But not exactly. But it has been 1 year since I made the video titled Birthday Unboxing. This was the thing that I unboxed. But let's see what's exactly inside. Now, of course, all we need to do is take off it. There's no need to start to go. Firstly, we have a poster. This poster contains all of the elements up to 2014. This is when this has been made. Actually, no, it's 2009. So these are petite radioactive elements. Yeah, this is the periodic table of the elements. You may notice that other things happen since. Yeah. You may notice that flareonium, livermorium are all there. It's been made in 2009. But now it's time to talk about what this thing was. 1,000 pieces worth of this. I'm really trying my best not to dump this thing on the floor. Now, of course, this is basically a puzzle piece containing what? Neon. And what is it? There is in fact 1,000 pieces plus an element poster. It also has dimensions of around 34 by 16. It also contains a poster with dimensions of 21 inches and 11 inches. This actually means that this thing is much smaller than the poster itself by about 66 times. I mean 66%. This is a whole bunch of optional tables. So yeah, there you go. It's 3 minutes.